Today we'll be installing a Torklift SuperHitch part number D1108 on a Dodge 3500. This hitch increases your truck's capabilities with a 20,000-pound towing capacity and 2,000-pound tongue weight. Made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these hitches are built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing for any future installs. Starting off, lower your spare tire, then remove the heat shield located behind it. Loosen the 6 bolts holding the factory hitch to the side of the frame. Starting on the passenger side, attach a 1x3 plate washer, star washer, and 1/2-inch bolt to the provided bolt fissure. Insert the hardware through the shown hole, then pull on the wire to seat the bolt through the 2 washers. Carefully slide the front side strap onto the bolt fissure and over the bolt. You can now remove the fissure. The next step varies between short and long bed trucks. Ours is a short bed. Insert the coiled end of the bolt fissure through the shown hole and guide it through the large hole in the bottom of the rail. Attach a 1x2 plate washer, star washer, and bolt to the fissure. Pull the assembly through the frame and back out the hole in the bottom. Next, slide a 2x2 plate washer into the opening at the end of the frame rail and align the hole in the washer with the hole in the frame. Guide your bolt fissure through this hole and out the end of the frame. Attach a star washer and bolt and pull down through the plate washer. Now take your passenger side side plate and raise it into position with the bottom flanges bent towards the outside of the vehicle. Secure each of the previously installed bolts with 2 plate washers, a lock washer, and a nut. Leave the hardware loose for now. Install a bolt with 2 flat washers through the side plate and out the slotted hole in the factory hitch plate. Secure with a plate washer, lock washer, and nut. Insert a bolt with 2 washers through the front hole on the side of your SuperHitch side plate. On the other side of the plate, install a 2x2 plate washer over the bolt before inserting the bolt through the lower hole in the previously installed front side strap. Secure with 2 flat washers, a lock washer, and nut. Repeat these steps to install the driver's side plate. It is important to leave all the hardware as loose as possible for now. For trucks 2017 and older, install the adhesive hitch spacer strip to the top of the cross tube. This is not needed for 2018 and up. Once both side plates are mounted, lift your SuperHitch cross tube into place between the 2 plates. Loosely secure each side with a bolt, lock washer, and nut. Once the hitch is in place, secure the rest of the holes. Place a 1/2 inch by 2 inch fender washer and 2 flat washers onto the threads of a 1/2 inch bolt. Insert a 1/2 inch by 2 inch fender washer between the factory hitch chain plate and the SuperHitch cross tube. Insert the bolts with washers through the slotted holes in the SuperHitch. Secure each bolt with a serrated flange nut. Line up the SuperHitch receiver with the factory hitch receiver so they are perfectly aligned from left to right. Use 2 wrenches on the vertical hardware to draw the 2 receivers together. Do not fully tighten yet. Now torque all the hardware in the following sequence. Start with the 8 bolts connecting the cross tube to the side plates. Next, the 2 rearmost bolts connecting the side plate to the frame. Then the 2 frontmost bolts. Followed by the 2 front side strap to SuperHitch bolts and side strap to truck frame bolts. Next, torque the 2 cross tube to chain plate bolts. Finally, retighten the 6 factory hitch bolts. Trim the heat shield to fit with the new side plate in place. Reinstall the heat shield. Followed by the spare tire. Your SuperHitch installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.